Namaste and welcome to day 20 of Mindful 30 journey. This is amazing. We have made it till day 20. This is awesome. I don't know how you're feeling, but I'm feeling very excited and very grateful for everyone's presence and everyone who's doing this journey with me. So this practice today is about gratitude. I have immense amount of gratitude for everyone in this journey, and that is why I've decided that let's do a gratitude practice today. Have you ever noticed that whenever, in so many cultures, that whenever someone wants to express their gratitude, they do this? There are a lot of ways that people express their gratitude by bowing down. And that's exactly what our practice is about. We're going to be practicing forward folds. So if you have never done this practice before, take it easy for yourself. If you're already comfortable in this, try to find that little sense of gratitude towards yourself, towards the practice, and everyone that is around you that is helping you in this process, actively or passively. Let's have them in our acknowledgement right now. Let's take this practice with that agenda, with that intention. With that, I want you to keep your both hands on your navel. Just relax your shoulders. Stand comfortably, however you find the comfort. Connect to the center of you. And let's chant together one beautiful Om sound together after next inhalation. Inhale. Let's try to remember one incident, one person, or one movement that has immense gratitude in your heart for that gesture. And dedicate this practice to that incident, to that memory that you have in you. Slowly release. We're going to start with opening our legs and getting it in a gentle version, okay? So all you have to do is just bend the knees. Keep your knees soft. If you have any back issues, when you bend the knees, any forward fold will be accessible for you and it shouldn't be a problem. So if you have any back concerns, keep your knees bent throughout the practice in any forward folds that we're going to do. You're going to gently release your elbows first on the thigh. Release your head, relax your head. And from there, see if you want to drop your hands down on the floor, if you reach there. Just stay there. People with back concerns, stay with your knees bent. Everyone else, we're going to do bending and extending of the knees. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, extend the knees. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, extend the knees. This is beautiful. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Stay there. Just let your body forward fold, hang in front and grab your elbows. From there, I just want you to have this very gentle pendulum movement, swaying from right to left. Just breathe there and let your body sway with the breath. You can move your hips a little bit. Your knees can be bent. It's still going to do the same job. Every time you exhale, I'm grateful for this body. I'm grateful for this mind. I'm grateful for my emotions. I'm grateful for everyone around me. Slowly release the hands down. Tuck your chin to your chest. And make sure you take your head up in the last, okay? So slowly come up. And take your head up in the last. Just stay there. Sometimes some of us might feel dizzy after coming up directly. So just give yourself some time to let your blood rush go back into the system. This is amazing. Slowly come down. Have you ever noticed that as a child, we had this tendency of whenever we seek comfort, whenever we seek that homely feeling, we used to do this. We used to get ourselves into the smallest cluster of bowl possible and we used to melt into that. That made you feel very calm, that made you feel very home. And if you realize all that movement is actually bending forward actually helps you in releasing, actually getting you out of that fight and flight mode and get into relax and digest state. So let every forward fold help you with relaxation more than stretching. Don't think of it as stretching. Think of it as a relaxation, a welcoming feeling. From there, we're going to do the same thing I just spoke about. Get your hands under, grab your elbows or biceps, and just take your head down. Bring back all the childhood memories that you can think of in this position. Maybe when you were angry with someone, maybe when you had a small argument with someone, maybe when you wanted to feel good about yourself. This place has been a home for so many of us, and I know some of you might not be able to relate this. And if that's the case, it's absolutely fine. Slowly from here, take your head up, keep your chest on the thighs, lengthen your spine, inhale, and every exhalation try to inch a little bit forward. But keep the chest and thighs connected as if they are magnets. Don't let them disconnect. If you have reached your maximum, you stop there. If not, you keep going ahead till you can reach your forward max. Remember, you go only till where you can hold it, not to an unbearable state. I'm grateful for this body, for being so understanding towards every expectations I have towards myself, for myself. And I'm grateful for all the efforts I am able to put into this process. A little bit furthermore. Breathe. I'm so grateful for everyone around me who has made this environment so welcoming for me to be able to practice here. Slowly release your hands from underneath. Push yourself up. That's nice. Bring your left knee to your chest here. Give yourself a good nice hug. Lengthen yourself. That's amazing. Slowly release. Same thing on the other side. Right knee to the chest. Yes. Lengthen yourself. Good. Release. From there, reach out to the universe. As tall as you can. Sit tall. Yes, we're going to just walk back with our hips. So take back your one leg at a time, one hip at a time, and walk back to the length of your mat. Yes. Enjoy it. It's actually a fun process. This particular practice is super fun. I love walking on my bum and my feet. So if you've never done this before, welcome. You're going to find something that you are absolutely going to have fun with. Now going ahead. Yes. Keep reaching the arms up. Yes. Keep lengthening this torso. 2. Good. This is amazing. You can be at your own pace. Now let's go one more time back. I really like the back one. Yes. Go for it. It's good work for your back also. It's massaging you from your hips. So it's nicely releasing you also. There's so many things happening. And I'm making you work through those arms by keeping them up. So win-win for everything. Slowly going ahead now. Reach all the way to the end. Don't forget the smile. Yes. You'll be so mean if you say thank you to anyone or someone. Okay, relax your hands. Imagine you saying thank you to someone with this. Thank you. Thank you. Would you buy that thank you? It would feel so empty. Yeah, so meaningless. So be grateful. Share the gratitude with a lot of joy. It doesn't have to be with the widest smile possible. It can be with the smile which is from inside. Yes. Okay, hug your knees once more. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to imagine that we are the child and we're going to try to rock all the way back on our spine, massaging. We used to do this as a child. You just have to go all the way back and come all the way up. As much as your body can, okay? All the way from the neck to the tailbone. 10. Woohoo! 9. This is so amazing. 8. Massaging the whole spine. 7. 6. 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up. Amazing. This is so good. Sit up straight. Close your eyes and feel that massage that you just got from the floor, from your bones. Yes. From here, we're just going to sit in Sukhasana, which is like one heel ahead of the other, not above the other. You're just going to walk your hands ahead. Melt yourself down with gratitude, calmness, ease. Release the head as much as you can. If you can straighten your hands fully, do that. Release your head to the mat, do that. Slowly come up. From here, whichever leg is ahead, okay, you're just going to slide that leg over and try to bring it above that knee as much as your body is able to. Pull this heel out so this hip can go down and take this knee out. Just forward fold. If you can get one knee above the other, that's even amazing. Just release your head down. Slowly inhale, come up. This is beautiful. Take this leg back. We're going to go to Sukhasana again, just interchange. Yes, going down and breathing. Trying to keep your hips grounded. Slowly come up and slowly going with the front leg on top of the knee as much as you can. Make space for your hips on the floor and slowly forward fold. See if you can drop your chest on your thighs. Don't force it, just try to reach towards it. Gratitude should be presented with gentleness, kindness, and warmth. No force. You can never force your thank you on anyone, can you? No, right? In the same way. Don't force a stretch to your body. And let it happen by keeping yourself calm, gentle, relaxed, and most importantly, kind. Slowly come back up. Get your legs ahead. We're going to do one last forward fold. Yes. You're just going to take your hands ahead. Go down. Let it slide down fully. And release your head down in Paschimottanasana. Keep your toes facing upwards. And try to just breathe here. If you feel any discomfort on your lower back, just bend your knees. This one I allow you to round your spine. Just round your spine and go down. Let your toes relax. Let your whole body relax now and breathe. Slowly come up. Sit tall. Find that length that you feel in your spine right now. Take one roll shoulders. So take your shoulders all the way up, roll it all the way back. And relax. I encourage you to lie down from here as it's important, really important to restore the structure of your spine. So just lie down, Close your eyes and just let your body breathe. If you have been skipping your relaxation from last 19 days, well, today there's no other option. I'm gonna let you through the Shavasana and I'm gonna leave you here into your relaxation. Yes, thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead, a day full of gratitude and love.